When the sun meets the sky, all creatures rise for the battle of the day. Here is industrious insect that presents perfect community. It's a honeybee. It's its weak in body but strong in spirit and wisdom. Bees need security, forage and management for them to perform well every day. Welcome to Envision and Miller's Bee Nexus for apiary construction. We have seen apiary from number 1 to 12th, but we did show you the 9th apiary. And this is our 9th apiary from Rongai, Kenya. We have shown you in our previous episodes on how to build an apiary. This apiary is projected to carry 100 hives. It's advisable to start small like 20 hives. Once it's colonized, you buy another 20 hives. This time round we have used only timbers, including on the poles. On the floor we have put soft stones because the soil here is cotton. And also on the trench we have explained in our previous episodes on how to make it strong and long-lasting. If you want the design plan and its material quantities, please contact us on the number on the description. You will receive also the list of flowers to plant around the apiary. We make higher quality hives. Our hives give us 10 kilograms of honey after 3 months. Please consider to check out on our previous episodes on beekeeping and don't forget to subscribe and share our content. The design and size of the trench is projected to be a home of fish and water source for bees. In our second apiary we have added value on the trench by putting fish inside. On the other hand, bees are picking water from the walls of the trench. In this 9th apiary we have designed the trench to accommodate the tilapia fish. Once we lay the soft stones, we must spray a chemical that will prevent termites from the ground. Then we cover the soft stones with this dry concrete. This apiary has 2 levels where the hives will rest and every space will carry 3 hives. The outer veranda has to be finished with concrete and rough cement to prevent rainwater from stagnating. We work until late hours to meet the target. On this section, we are dealing with the rainwater storage. We are installing the 10,000 litre tank and we have to make the foundation to be firm. Job and Wycliffe are making sure that the levels are equal all round the stand by use of the hose pipe. The reason why we install water tank is because this area mostly is dry and we have to make use of the rains for irrigation our garden flowers and fruits. we have installed garters will collect the rains to the 10,000 litres water tank to service the trench. This is the last day and it has taken 7 days since we started working on this apiary. Both sides of the apiary has garters to collect every drop of rain from the roof to the tank. Our rainwater storage is completed successfully, it only now on the rains to fill the tank. Thanks for keeping watching. We hope you have learned something from this project. And if you need the design plan, please contact us on the number shown on the description. As you can see, it's easy and comfortable to move within the space. The floor has a concrete look and feel finish with no cement in it. Besides the chain link all round, we have to lock the door for security reasons. On the garden, there are several types of plants and fruits that boost forage for bees in the apiary. Some of the fruits have water dripping. The emitters slowly drip water into the soil to keep the moisture levels. Honeybees help increase yields for many tropical crops. Because they are natural pollinators, facilitating the production of fruit tree while providing honey and other products. If you like oranges, you can thank a honeybee. Oranges are 90% dependent on honeybees for pollination. Bees pollinate sunflowers, and sunflowers provide bees with food, nectar and pollen. Loquat trees, particularly their flowers, are a valuable source of nectar and pollen for bees. Pawpaw trees are not typically pollinated by bees. Their primary pollinators are flies and beetles, attracted to the flower's fetid odor. In this garden we have mango trees. Pumpkin flowers are crucial for bees as they provide nectar and pollen, essential for their survival. Sweet potato flowers, part of the morning glory family, are known for their trumpet shape and vibrant colors, which attract bees. Thank you for watching. Keep enjoying watching. We hope you have learned something from this video.